I was fearful because my approval was a surprise because I was still working in my call center job. And then I quit immediately the moment that I was approved.
See ya.
And then in my mind I was thinking like, what's gonna happen if I'm gonna go there? I'm gonna study again, and I need to find another job, and I need to do all of that stuff like bank, like all of my documents, all of that stuff.
Yeah, so
Mm.
were you at least optimistic that everything would have worked out though?
Yeah, I was optimistic because I always hear stories that you're gonna find a job in like 1 week.
Yeah,
You're gonna have all of it sorted out. School's gonna go. It's gonna flow
yeah.
naturally.
For me, it was failing a course because at the time when I came, I was a student. If you guys are new here, I was going to school, so Nas had an open work permit, and our daughter Malika had